Are you looking forward to turn game mode on or off on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn your game mode on or off. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, scroll down until you see the option of focus. Once found, you need to click on it. In this page, click on this plus icon. You need to select gaming. Tap on customize focus at the bottom. Now simply click on choose apps. Now select the application that you want to silence the notification of. Once selected, tap on silence notifications from, and then click on done at the top right corner of the screen. Now in order for you to turn on the game mode, all you gotta do is swipe down the screen from the top right corner. Tap and hold do not disturb mode option, and then simply click on gaming. There you go, your game mode is turned on. Now if you want to turn back off, all you gotta do is click on this option once again. There you go, now your game mode is turned off. So this is simply how you can turn on or off your game mode on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.